Hello and welcome to the first episode of Scratch Tutorials. We're going to get right to it. So today I'm going to teach you how to make it work. So if you want him to take us, I'm going to teach you basically about motion. Now to make an animation. So first thing I'm going to do is drag out a when green flag clicked. You click on the sprite when green flag clicked. You make sure you don't do it on the stage. You will start off with the sprite. So now we need to go to the motion section where there is move 10 steps, which we can do here. That's not that good. So I like to use glide. So you can glide. You can leave it and it will take you to your original position where you are. So if I were to drag him over here, then it would say glide to there. So instead of going to there, I would replace that to there. And maybe to reset, I could do, this is quite good for resetting, go to, because go to makes you just teleport there basically. So now when we click the green flag, it does that. Now you can also go into here to use wait. Wait.
Where do you go? Control.
Motion.
You have to click control.
And then you can go into control and get a wait 1 second. You can change this to any number. Like that, but I'm not doing that. So let's say you have to wait 0.5 seconds, which is half a second. Then it will go back. Let's just duplicate this, and now we have a go to there, and we can copy that into a glide. So now we can copy that into a glide. Yes, you can do this instead. So glide to 61.9. Then we can put that there and get rid of the go to. This is how I would do it. It might not be the best method, but now when we watch this, it goes.
How do you duplicate?
And how to duplicate is what you do is you right click. No.
Yeah. You right click.
You right click, which is this one if you don't know. So click that one and then click on the script that you want to duplicate. If you do it here, then it. Okay, and what you might want to do if you're going to make like an animation where, so say you wanted the sprite to change, this character, which is called Scratch, comes with 2 costumes. To get to that, you switch. You click on that tab, which is costumes.
Alright.
You click on that tab, which is costumes. Then you will be automatically put on costume 1. You can press the little cross in the corner to delete them. And you can put, so say you wanted to switch to that, to that, to that, to that.
Yeah.
You could do that by getting a repeat block in control. So repeat. Say 10 times, which it starts off as.
How do you know which one you put on the repeat on now? For both of them?
I haven't gone to that yet.
Okay.
And now, if you now say it's going to next costume, you put this inside of it instead of outside, and then just wait 0.4 seconds, and yeah, we don't need to do that because wait, so it goes next costume, wait 0.4 seconds, next costume, wait 0.4 seconds, so on until it reaches 10 times. So now when we press it, now if you want it to do it while this is happening, you can grab the bottom of it and put it here. So now, yeah, but that won't work because, so then instead of doing that, This is the hard way, but you can do this. You can go after everything instead. It's not harder. It's not harder.
What did you take?
But it only does it once, so you have to keep doing it. After everything. This is the hard way. And the way I prefer to do it. So this is the next costume, so every time it does that, I'll do that. But let's not bother with next costumes because they're
What
hard
happens
to
when you
use.
do that?
But if you want to make it a repeat, this is the easy way. Get rid of all this. If I get rid of all this now, and then I just put this back to normal, I can do another when this clicked, and then repeat 10 times. Next costume.
Should you not have just done that in the first place?
Yes, Bond. And then wait 0.4. And then, so now when
What's
you
the
do
difference
it,
between this one and the last one then?
because you will have to wait for this one. You will have to, if you put this at the end or beginning, you'll have to wait for that to be done until this comes on. Now if you put it at the end, that won't happen until that's all done. So we have to do it on a different one, and then he does it at the same time.
So you'd recommend doing it this way, not the other way?
Because the way it doesn't make him look like he's stepping. Now we can.
Do you put music on it?
Yes, you can, but we can't. You can put inbuilt sounds on it.
Yeah.
That's for a different episode. Or you can record it, which we can't do because we
Okay.
don't have headphones or anything, or webcam. Or we can't do video motion either. Like this. Okay. Now we are going to make a costume, and we can make him talk. So let's make a new costume. In fact, we'll duplicate this and then make his mouth closed, and then that will be done. To make his mouth closed, you just use the drawing tools like you would on Photoshop or something. And then I can get the white. I don't actually use vector, which is the thing that this Scratch is made with, but the people who make the game who make this do. Well, made the program, not game. So now I can make that a bit better. It can be hard to make costumes, but now it just looks like a duck. This is what I don't like about vector. It kind of autocorrects it so it's not how you want, which is what I don't like about vector, which is why I use normal. So if I was to make a new sprite, I would have this menu, and yeah, delete. Do the same thing you do with duplicate, just delete. You can duplicate, and to make it talk or think, you can get the. If you do this, then it'll just forever say that until it says say something else. So So let's say you want him to say hello before anything happens. I want this to be before, so he's going to say hello for 2 seconds. Then he's going to think. Now we're going to go on to ask block. So he's going to do this, do all this, and then he's going to ask, what's your name? And then it's going to say, we go into operators, join, answer in the second one, or the first one if you want to. So that'll make your answer William. So it's going to go, say, if my name was typed in William, that's a lovely name. Now you can add more joins into there to make it so if I wanted it to say Wow, that's a lovely one. I wish my name was William. Then you could do that by itself. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So it's gonna go. Wow, that's a nice name. I wish I was called, and then you want to put a space because that won't have a space. Your answer won't have a space at the beginning. So you put a space there, and then, so now, when we press it, hello. What's your name? My name is William. And you can actually type in on the ask block. Wow, that's a nice name. I wish I was called William. So that's it for today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this, and next time we'll be learning how to probably make AI that follows you, and how when things touch you, you say lose a life. See you next time.